Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on a 5.2 question. And the question is, if cosine equals -4/5 and theta is in the second quadrant, find the exact value for sin. So to start off this problem, we'd want to draw a graph. So the graph look like this. Nothing too big. So it looked like this, and then since it's in the second quadrant, remember it goes first, second, third, fourth, so it'd be right here on this top left side. So you could just draw random line, just going like this, and then it comes down. So now that we have our graph, we'd put theta right here, and then since we have already cosine, so we would put it as 5 up here, and then we put -4 down here, and 5 is the hypotenuse, and right here is the adjacent spot. And we don't know why, so we put it right here, so we put it right here on the opposite side from theta. So now that we have it graphed out like this, we start with using the Pythagorean theorem. And remember, the Pythagorean theorem is, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But you could do you could do y squared plus, and we'd use -4, so it'd be -4 squared equals 5 squared. So -4 squared would equal 16, positive 16. So it'd be y squared plus 16 equals 25. So we'd be left with this, and so we just subtract 16 from both sides, -16, right? And that give us 9, so we'd have y squared equals 9. And we want to get rid of this squared, so we'd square root it, both sides too. And so you get rid of the squared, and you get left with y equals 3, right? So now we know what y is. So now that we have that, we just plug it back in. And remember, sin is opposite over hypotenuse. So it'd be this. So we just use that, and we get what is opposite from here? Y, which is 3. And then what's the hypotenuse? 5. So we get sin is equal to 3/5. And that would be our answer for this problem.